What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I got a little install on my truck. I've been needing to do this for a very long time, and here it is. Check it out. A new center console, man. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Got the leather wrap around there. I don't know, it's just very clean. It's hard to find some of these. This is out of a 2007 to 2014 Chevy Silverado, and it's going in my Silverado, my cat eye. So I'm gonna do that today. To remove the back bolts, I used a 7/16, and then I used the 15 for the fronts. The 15s in the front, they're like bigger. They're just, they just go on the truck. But anyways, yeah, so I got it out. I'm gonna clean it up. Looks all crazy and crusty and dusty and messy, but I'm gonna get that sorted out right now. Here's my new one that I got. I love the center, the middle. It has a little safe I could put my. I'm not gonna really use a cigarette lighter, but I'm probably gonna put my gun here. This is a good spot to put your gun at. And then eventually I'll probably get a locksmith to lock it up, or I could just, I don't know, I don't really need to lock it up. But I love this one. It has the cup holders on top, and then it also has cup holders in the back, just for the backseat people. But this one's all beat up. It's all broken. I could replace the top part of it. I could probably order it, and I just might resell it. I really don't like that one because cup holders are super low, and then in the morning when I'm grabbing my coffee, I gotta reach down when this one's already ready to go. This one's just overall, man, this thing's beautiful, man. Okay, I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the truck. The inside, it's all dusty and dirty, and I'm gonna install it. Stay tuned. She is, now she's in. This thing is absolutely fucking beautiful. So here's the finished install. It's absolutely stunning, actually. I got 3 cup holders here, and I got 2 in the back. Extra. The back seat's all dirty, but that is it's that Vortex Max right there. They're basing out too. Alright guys, so where I picked up the center console, it's very hard to find. I was looking around everywhere for it. I was looking at the junkyard in San Antonio. Couldn't find it anywhere. But I found it on Facebook Market in Austin near Cedar Park or Cedar Creek area. It was a good drive. It was probably about 2.5 hours or 2 hours away from where I live, but good thing I work over there, so I picked it up while I was working. But yeah, the consoles, they range from around, like, the price range for like $350, $300, but I got a good deal on mine. I don't know, I gave them $190, so I felt like it was a very good deal. There it is, guys. There's the install. My wife approves of it. She says she loves it. She says it feels like a Mercedes now. I don't know why she's saying that, but it does actually feel a little luxury now. But anyways, guys, if you liked the video, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think on what I should do next to my truck. Yeah, guys, so thank you for watching the video. Please like and comment and subscribe.